The Engine Room is a business-focused program because we understand that building a better business gives the opportunity to enjoy a better lifestyle. And that's why we include strategies that are going to help you succeed, not only professionally, but personally as well.
The Engine Room is a high-performance mentoring area because we get to mastermind our business problems every single week for a couple of hours. So for that couple of hours a week that we invest in our businesses, usually we get it back tenfold, during the week or in the coming months of decisions that we actually help each other make in that Engine Room.
Because we get to meet each week, we are holding each other accountable for things that we've promised to each other, and on a deeper level to be able to help work through issues, whether it be business related or not, and to know that you've actually got people that actually have your back.
I can't explain in words what it's meant to be able to have a team of like-minded people. You feel very alone when you're going through certain situations in business and you feel that it's just you. Everyone in the Engine Room has been there, done that, or going through it.
In a business sense, has increased revenues and even profitability, figures up to 40-50% in some areas, which was definitely not on the radar of an achievable amount. So just to bring that has been invaluable.
For the business, it's been able to teach our staff to be better people and really step up and have faith in them and trust. And that's what I've learned, and it's growing and growing, and we love it.
It's turned more so from business into deep friendships, and that that with the fact that we can share things together and actually help each other through the tough times, and also hold each other accountable as well.
We have a very close connected family type feel. We've got each other that we can go to for support, as well as Rachael. Not only the business but in our personal lives as well. We've made a lot of positive changes within our personal lives, and I didn't think it would be possible.
I can't imagine not doing it now. I just think it's been one of the best decisions in 16 years of business that we've ever made.
Yeah.
So we know that the Engine Room produces serious results for serious auto repair shop owners. So if you know that it's time for you to start on your journey of moving out of struggle and into a successful auto repair shop, we invite you to follow the link, answer a few questions, and we can have a chat with you about whether the Engine Room is the next thing on your journey.